Hi, I'm Simon from Motordrome, which is www.moto-drone.com. Today we're going to have a look around and a drive of this absolutely beautiful 1998 Land Rover Defender 90 50th anniversary, fully restored by Simon Durant, the marque expert for these. Hope you like it. End. So this Defender is GB165, which is very, very well known to the Defender 50th register. Having been the subject of a total restoration by Simon Durant in 2017 for the previous owner. I think it's done probably less than about 1,500 to 2,000 miles since, but I'll have a look at the history on it. Haven't been through the history yet, but there is quite a big box of it to go through. But I do know from looking at the Defender 50th website that it is a very well-known car to the 50th anniversary fraternity. There's a whole thread on there and photos and everything of the complete rebuild. And as with all of Simon's work, it is absolutely magnificent. It's really as close as you'll get to a brand new one in 1998. Been restored to exactly original specification. The only change is it's been fitted with a Motolita steering wheel, although we do have the original steering wheel with it. It's been fitted with Exmoor trim seat covers throughout, but we've had the covers off and the seats underneath are in perfect condition. It's also fitted with an uprated stereo, although it has got the original head unit in. It's quite a clever, I think it's an Audison device. There's certainly extra speakers in there and an extra controller. Not sure if it's DAB yet or anything. Again, I'll have a look at the history for that and see if we can find any information out. So there's extra speakers underneath the seats and things. We have got the original speaker covers, which are really hard to find now, but the owner has kept them off because they're so easy to kick and damage that it's easier not to put them on, but they can come with the car. So standard 50th anniversary spec, Atlantis blue, as they always are, with the side steps and the front chrome front A-bar with the extra lights. The half roll cage, pewter BFG alloys shod with a matching set of BFG all-terrain tyres. So I'm getting my BFGs mixed up. Mud flaps all round, checker plate towards the modesty covers and the rear quarters. North American spec rear step, all exactly as it should be. And it is quite magnificent. We did have one in that had also been restored about 3 or 4 months ago. This one is just that tiny bit better, in my opinion. Yeah, it's lovely. I'll go around and try and pick out some good bits and bad bits. I won't be able to find a lot of bad bits, I can tell you. The paint finish is flawless. So about as close as you can get to buying a brand new one. It's a bit dark in here if you just see too much under there, I'm afraid. But expect, because it's a Simon Durant one, don't expect it to have a rusty chassis. Screen is lovely. I know the previous owner has kept it garaged, and really it's seen very, very light use since he bought it when it was freshly restored. Interior wise, as you can see, all the door cards are in perfect condition. It's got the proper alloy handles. Glad to see they've resisted the temptation to fit electric windows to this one. It's been fully recarpeted. And as I say, the correct, I think they call it Rayleigh cloth underneath it. Let's try and pull the one of these off again. Is exactly as it should be. And all the seats feel nice and firm and supportive as well. As I say, you've got this Audison controller here. I know it does make a nice sound, but I need to work out if it's DAB or not. But I will come back to that. Headlining is perfect. It's got all the right plastic trims on the roll bar. So interior wise, it's magnificent. Only slightly disappointing point I can find. It's just a little bit of surface rust just in there by the handle. Inside here, in the snap-on bag, is the jack and everything. It's all tucked in there. But as I say, the rear seats here have got proper Exmoor trim covers on them just to protect them. But again, they're in excellent shape underneath all that. Doors shut nice and cleanly, and yeah, standard is probably better than it was new, in fairness, in terms of the way it's been rebuilt. But as I say, Simon Durant's work is well known for being absolutely top notch, and a Durant restored car does command a premium. As I say, bigger speakers, and there's also a speaker underneath the driver's seat, and I presume under the passenger seat as well. Actually, maybe not, because that's where the battery sits. But yeah, just absolutely lovely throughout. So I think there we have it, really. She is really quite magnificent, this one. My name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information. End. Okay, let's take this beautiful Simon Durant restored Land Rover Defender 90 50th anniversary V8 for a spin. I've just done a few miles in it. Drives absolutely beautifully, but we'll show you on camera anyway. Let's fire it up. Starts beautifully whether it's hot or cold, and obviously the V8 sounds wonderful. Showing just under 95,000 miles. Into D, and off we go. Yeah, just under 95,000 miles. It's and the odometer is actually nice and bright, because unusually for one of these, because they normally fade out after a while. But all working beautifully in this one. And driving wise, she's spot on. It feels really, really tightened together, just the way a properly restored one by the marque expert should. Even the seats feel firm and supportive. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. I think this one is fitted with the uprated engine management chip. But again, I'll have to look at the service history for that. There is a great deal of information on this vehicle, GB165, on the Defender 50th anniversary forum website. Photos of it being restored and all sorts of things. And the restoration was finished in 2017. Very, very rattle-free for a Defender. You might hear a slight rattling through the camera mount, because it's mounted on the rear door. Because the spare wheel is there, it does tend to magnify any rattles. I can't hear them myself, but they may be in the back. Drivetrain all feels beautiful. There's no slop at all. It steers properly. It's exactly, to my mind, exactly as it would have been in 1998. One thing I can criticise on it is that the aircon, whilst it works, isn't absolutely ice cold. Coldish, but it's better now than it was earlier on. So yeah, actually the aircon's not too bad. Perhaps let's just say it's not absolutely 100% giving you frostbite, shall we say. It's not bad. It's also got a very trick stereo system in it. It's nice, it's still got its original stereo head there, but it's got a Pioneer unit hidden inside the centre console, and what seems to be, I think it's a DAB receiver and stuff down here, an Audison one. Although again, I will have to check the service history on that. And we have got the original steering wheel if you prefer it. Personally, I do like the motor heated wheels. 50th anniversary Defender is an absolute joy to drive. This is well, more than decent, shall we say. Copes with the bumps in the road nicely, no nasty suspension noises, just nothing, just exactly as you would hope it should be. As I say, Simon Durant has a name for doing these, and deservedly so. Very nice under braking. So I think that's about it. There's not much more I can say about it. Absolutely gorgeous. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. Or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com. End.